everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this beautiful hoop art on the wedding theme. My cousin's wedding anniversary is coming in next month and I have decided to gift her this beautiful hoop art design. So I will share with you all the details including the embroidery work, how to make the figures, how to attach the lehenga and how to write the sentiment. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking the cotton fabric in off-white color and attached one wooden hoop on this. The diameter of hoop is approx 22 centimeters and I have already tightened the cloth nicely. You can use any kind of cotton cloth. And on this I have drawn this freehand figure of the pair and also written the sentiment together forever. Now first of all I will just color the figures using acrylic colors. You can also use fabric colors. So for the face and skin portion I am using flesh tint color. Then for the bride's cloth, I am using magenta pink color. For the groom's coat and pant I am using black color. Also I have already colored the shirt collar in white. Then adding the red color on tie. Then coloring the hairs using dark brown color. I have just outlined the coat portion using light grey color just to distinguish all the shapes. Now here I have randomly created one beautiful design starting with the center portion. Added 2 circles here, 2 here, 2 on this side, 2 like this, 2 here, and at the end smallest 2 circles here. So all these circles will be filled with roses. I have already created one rose just to check the color combination and the pink is looking fabulous. Now I will show you the centermost circle rose. So for this I am taking woven wheel technique and taking total 6 strands of shaded pink color thread. This is the thread from Anchor. Nice quality of the embroidery threads. So first we have to divide the circle in 5 equal parts like a star shape, and then I will make a woven wheel technique to create the rose. We just need to pass our thread over the first thread, then passing under the second thread. Again over the thread and passing under the next thread, and we have to just repeat this process around in the clock manner. You can also do it in anti-clock manner, but you have to do it in one direction only and just cover it completely till the outer edge. In place of 5 divisions, you can also use 6 divisions or 7 divisions. It's all up to you. I have used 5 divisions only for all the roses. So I have reached till the end. Now I'm just passing my thread from back side and the beautiful rose is ready. Can you see this? The shaded thread works like a magic. Now on back side I'm just making some knots and cutting the excess thread. So the first big size woven wheel technique rose is ready. Similarly I will do pink here, here and in the bottom. So just completing it quickly. Now for the next remaining circles I am doing the same woven wheel technique using 6 strands of white color thread and making some more roses. And this is also done. Perfect. Similarly I will do the remaining roses using white color thread. So all the roses are ready and they are looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? Now it's time to do the stems between all the flowers. So here I'm taking dark green color thread using 3 strands and applying the stem stitch. So this is also done. Created some scrolls as well using same stitch. Now between these 2 white roses I am adding 2 more scrolls using back stitch technique and taking 3 strands of dark green color thread. Similarly I will make 1 more scroll. So this is done. Now making the leaves using fishbone stitch and taking 3 strands of light green color thread. Making very small leaves on the branch from both the sides. Similarly I will complete it on both the sides and this is done. Now I am just using the French knot technique and using 3 strands of shaded pink color thread and making some pollens randomly wherever I felt the gaps to fill the portions or areas. And this is done. Now using the lazy daisy technique and taking 3 strands of dark blue color thread and making 6 petal flower. Here I am using contrast color because it will look more nice if you are using pastel shades one or two darker shades of the contrast looks very nice. I wanted to use purple or lilac shade here, but I didn't have the thread of that color, so I am using the blue color. But if you have purple, it will look more nice. So flower is ready. Similarly, I will create some more. Now just making some hangings or the veils. For this I am taking dark green color thread and using the 3 strands I am making chain stitch, just doing it in a zigzag little wavy manner. Like this, and then adding some branches on this stem. And then again doing the French knot technique using 3 strands of shaded pink color thread. So after adding this, it will look like this. And also I have added some more scrolls using light green color thread. This is the simple chain stitch, and I have covered the head portion also using satin stitch and used 3 strands of dark brown color thread. Also decorated the blouse using some golden and pink threads. These are simple French knots. Now making the hair, so we just need to create long loops like this. Taking 6 strands of dark brown color thread, we just need to lock the loops each time, and in the same way I have created total 5 to 6 loops. Now from back side I am just making the knot, and the hairs are ready. Now to decorate the hair portion, I am making small gajra here using white color thread, doing the same French knot technique using 2 strands of white color. And the gajra is ready. Now I'm just cutting these loops of hairs, and then to make it curly I'm just passing it through the scissor. It will automatically get rolled and will have nice wavy look to the hairs. So we don't need any hair straightening tool here or hair waving tool. It is just easy like this. See, the hairs are looking very, very gorgeous, isn't it? And this is also done. So pretty. Now it's time to write the sentiment. So here I am taking 2 strands of dark pink color thread and doing the back stitch technique, writing the sentiment together forever. Like this, and as this is done, I have also written the date of the marriage, that is 20th of December 2022, and the embroidery work is completely done. Now we have to secure the edge of the cloth from all the sides, so we have to lock it. So before locking it, I am taking one white color cardstock circle which fit perfectly inside this, and after adding the white sheet, can you see more brighter and more pastel the base is looking. Without paper it was looking translucent, but after adding the sheet it is looking more brighter, and your embroidery work will look more beautiful. So now it's time to cut the extra edges, and then using any kind of thread we just need to do the running stitch and tighten all the cloth towards the center. So this is also done and it is looking nice and finished. Now I am going to attach the lehenga here. For this I am taking this beautiful net cloth. The dimensions are 24 by 16 centimeters. And I have already attached beautiful border here. Taking 2 pieces of net and doing the simple running stitch, I have attached the border. Now taking pink color thread, just folded the lehenga from one side and doing the running stitch again. Holding the lehenga from other side as well, inside, and then attaching it with the waist area of the bride. Super easy, it's looking fantabulous. I have attached one more small lace on the waist area just to decorate it, and the beautiful bride is also ready. Now I am just decorating the edge of my hoop using some half cut pearls in 8 mm. And this is done, looking so gorgeous. Just to hide the top lock, I am adding here bow, which is in a transparent white color cloth, and the beautiful hoop is ready for the wedding. You can make it in different colors. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.